welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a great song from Ed Sheeran. So this one is called Eyes Closed. I introduced this one with this notes going on here, the melody, and some freestyle introduction there as well. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna dive into this song. It goes in the same way pretty much through the entire song. And we'll start with the capo-set on the 2nd fret. So with that, we're gonna go over 4 different chords. So let's take a look at the chords first. We have C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st on B, and open E. Then we have this C, but with a B in the bass, so it's pretty similar to the C. You need to do this shift, so that will be 2nd on A now, and then 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. It's exactly the same as C, just the bass notes to the 2nd on A. Then we have the A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have F. That's a bar chord. So you place a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so let's take a look at this main melody. It goes like this. Alright, C, C, B, A minor, and F. That's a chord progression through the entire song. So the C first, it's like this. That's the rhythm. We have 3rd on A, that's the bass note. 1 time, and then you play the 1st fret on B string. Then 2 times on 3rd A, and 1 time on the 1st fret B string. Alright, so that's the C, this rhythm. Play it once, and then you go to the next grip. That's a C B chord. You just shift the bass note to the 2nd fret A. You keep the 1st fret on the B there. You're gonna play the same pattern there. So 2nd fret A, 1st fret B, 2 times on 2nd A, and 1st fret B. Then we have the A minor parts. You keep the 1st fret on the B string through the entire melody. Now the new bass is the open A. So open A, 1st B, then 2 times on open A, and 1st B. And then we have the final chord left, the F. Now the bass note will be on the 3rd fret D string. So you start with that one, 3rd D, then 1st B, 2 times on 3rd D, and 1st B. And there you have the melody. So slowly it goes like this. C, C, B, A minor, and F. Alright, so that's the main melody. You could do this with a strumming. If you do that, you will have to hold the full chords as they are. So the strumming pattern will be 5 downs, and that will be the same as the 5 notes you play for each and every chord. So when you play the 5 downs, you will follow kind of the same pattern. You play on the bass when you play the bass notes, and then on the top strings when you play the top notes. So 1 round on C will be like this. Bass notes here, and the top will be kind of the last strings, the G, B, and E string or so. So bass, top, bass, top, C, B, A minor, and F. some freestyle ending as well. So that pretty much covers Ed Sheeran's Eyes Closed. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tune.